I couldn't sleep last night. All I could think about was like the day we adopted Charlie and just like our life with him. I can't believe that it's come to an end. And I was telling Justin, I was all like, time goes by so fast. Because I remember like the day we adopted him. I remember there was a man that wanted him too, but we asked for him first to adopt him. And I was so grateful that like, because that there was this older gentleman that really wanted Charlie. And I was like, I want him too though. Like I was the one that picked Charlie. It's so hard to see him completely different. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but loving him gracefully till the end is really special. Like, we got to love him for more than 16 years because we got him at 6 months and he's 17 now. So, yeah, 16. I did a video on this already last night, but I will show you. I do garlic mayo that I made. And then I don't have all the stuff. Like, we don't have any more bacon. And then I cooked the eggs in bacon grease yesterday. It was really good that way. Because bacon grease is so much. I'm like, what am I going to do with it? I was like, oh, well, I'll just cook the eggs, the fried eggs with it. And it was really good that way. It's my favorite sandwich. Like, something about sourdough gets me all the way together. Some people don't like sourdough. Liam loves bread, but sourdough he don't like. I don't know why, but it's okay. Oh, and I don't have any more sweet potato fries. I had some sweet potato fries that I made. I'm gonna make probably I'll make some more because I have, but I don't have time right now because we gotta eat and then we gotta go to the next game. This garlic mayo though, I made a lot, but girl, don't nobody gonna waste this. So I'm gonna just put all of it here. And then some lettuce, tomatoes, onions. I had jalapenos that I put. Ooh, this lettuce looks like it's going bad. Soon. Not yet, but soon. I'm gonna throw this one out. So if I sound like monotone, I don't know. I ain't got no joy today, you know. We're just trying to go through life. Sometimes life be lifing. And I can't believe that the good old days are like behind us now. The good old days was when all of my kitties, all of us, we were all together. And we were watching movies together on movie night. And I was aware that those were the good old days. And I did cherish it. I just... You know, when you don't have it anymore, you wish you had more of it. So that's how I'm feeling. I know Charlie's ready. He looks so ready. And I think the hardest part for me was like the kids heartbreaking too, you know? Like I can't protect them from heartache. I can't protect them from missing Charlie. Because I'm also going through it. But we're all in it together. Justin had a moment with him on his, you know, the sunroom. That's where the cat, we call it the cat room. But anyways, Justin was cuddling up with Charlie on the chair because Charlie loves that sunroom. That's literally his room. Charlie can't control his bowels anymore. So he has been pooping and peeing everywhere in that room. And we're gonna get rid of the cat tree eventually because he had smeared some poop on it. And Mr. Bob doesn't like cat trees. So I guess we will not keep that cat tree. What else? Oh, one thing I didn't share in my cooking video was how I like to season my eggs. I think that's so important. Like I didn't even share that. I season it with chicken bouillon, with garlic powder, with garlic, I said garlic powder, with garlic, yeah, garlic powder, onion powder. That's how I like to cook my eggs. And even if it's slightly, it has to be over hard for me because I got sick from eating like a slightly runny egg. So I don't do that. And then I do it like that. take out the yellow part for me because I don't really like the yellow part. And we have it. A big old sandwich. That would have been good with sweet potato fries. And it looks like this. Hello friends, how are you? You see the lashes? Girl, let me get up in here. Missing lashes here. Missing lashes there. Girl, I've been due for a lash fill. It's just that it's been a little busy. A little bit of heartbreak. Actually, a lot of bit of heartbreak, but you know, just a lot been going on. But I got to get it done because it's almost my cousin's wedding. And I can't be looking like this for his wedding. What else is new? I'm gonna do cooking videos when I get home, so that'll be nice. Alrighty, they're done. I love them. Oh, I got a lash here. Hello friends, I just finished a cooking video. It's a reel on lemon bars. Sorry, I'm just all over the place. It's in the fridge though because I need it to harden before Justin is my taste tester, because lemon bars take forever to harden, you know, and to set. So it's not like I can have him taste test it like right after. It's yummy, but it just doesn't look right yet. This morning I took the boys to school. His school is like an hour before Liam, so Liam's home, I come back home, and then I drop off Liam. Usually Justin and I take turns, but my sweet man, he hurt himself really bad in CrossFit. He came home like with so much back pain. I ran a bath for him in the morning with like this muscle recovery salt, and then like I helped him get out the bathtub and into the shower because I didn't want him to hurt himself even more. But yeah, his back, he pulled a muscle and it's really bad, and I feel so bad for him. And he's been doing everything, like trying to give all his energy for his presentations. Yeah, so let's just hope that it's nothing bad. And I was like, let me take you to urgent care, let me take you somewhere. He's like, they're gonna just tell me to take it easy. And I was all like, if it hurts for a few days, I'm gonna make you go, I'm gonna take you. So hopefully it gets better. And I'm telling him like acupuncture, because when I have had issues with pain or just a lot of things, like with vertigo, when I had Bell's palsy, I went to acupuncture and it helped. Do you remember when I had vertigo? Girl, the vertigo was insane, and then all of a sudden it went away with acupuncture. And also Bell's palsy, that was a miracle. Hello friends, I just finished the video doing these lemon bars. Come here, Peppy. Jiggy is my taste tester because Justin was on a call, and also his back hurt, so I wasn't trying to make him get up. And yeah, you like it? What's your favorite part?
I like the powdered sugar and the lemon flavor.
I personally like all of it, and the crust. The crust in the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, it's buttery and delightful. So I hope you guys can check it out and watch the video because Jakey's in it. Look who's there. That's my Bob. He was eating some wet food. Hi, Papas. You gorgeous boy. He's doing okay after losing his brother. I gotta be honest, I feel like he was broken up a lot more with Sunrise. He spent a lot more time with Sunrise. I'm sure he also loved Bob. Of course you did, Bob. I mean, Charlie. But with Sunrise, they were like inseparable. Hello, my friends. It's the morning time. I just dropped off Jacob, and Liam is here because his school doesn't start an hour later. So I will drop him off after. How you feeling? How's his back?
Hello, friends. My back is actually a bit better from yesterday. I was laid up yesterday. April had to pick up the kids and all that. And I've never had experience anything like this. It was like honestly, like some of the worst pain I've ever felt my entire life. And I went through childbirth with her. So it was really, just kidding. It was really painful though.
Men would like to compare back pain to giving birth. The absolute audacity. Your audacity reached the creek. Your level of audacity then went all the way to the creek. It went all the way to your mom's neighborhood, many cities away. That level of audacity. Okay, I'm sorry. I know you're hurting.
Anyways.
I told him. Yeah. See, we called Sharon and Steve. And his mama even said, go to the doctor. I told him yesterday, I said, let me take you to the ER. Let me take you to urgent care. He was like, no. What are they going to do?
They're going to tell me ice it, rest, be a little mobile. Try not to stiffen it. Massage it. What are they going to tell me? Like, that's it.
Yeah, that's
I'm feeling a little bit better today. So.
Yeah, and I rubbed Arnicare on him because I had some when I had Sculptra, and I had to rub it on my face because my face was bruised.
Her hands are very healing.
You would. You're so funny. Anyways, my friends, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll start a new vlog today. You want to say hi or not yet?
Oh,
Okay, come
Hello.
here, come
Here's
here,
Mimi.
Pepe Chulo, my handsome boy.
I have big news.
Oh,
Tell
let's hear
us.
it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go on a seafood diet.
Oh, seafood.
When I see food, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, me too. I've been on that seafood diet for a long time, actually, Liam. Anyways, friends, bye.